The markets decide to stall today. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, May 28th, 2015. And the indices as a whole, negative territory, but not by much. We were deeper in the red intraday, but we bounced back by day's end. The S&P down a fraction, everybody down a fraction, Q's down 0.23%, banks off just a bit, so break even for the most part, but mainly in the red. Silver up a mere fraction, gold up a little more. That's all. The US dollar down 0.23%. We're looking at the DXY, which is ETF here on the US dollar. Also the VIXI. VIXI is a pro share. It's an ETF on the VIX, and fear did increase by 1.21%. At one point, the VIX was up 4% for the day. So very interesting to see. Now, here we are taking a look at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, SPY. You can see that right up here in the spider symbol right behind here. I have two sets of lines. I have the blue lines, which encapsulates the all major price action, and then the red ones, which are more condensing, if you will, encapsulating the most recent price action. So look at the blue lines together as a rising wedge, and also the red lines coming in, also a rising wedge. Now, the red lines I want you to pay special attention to, because this negative space within this rising wedge is easy play time for the markets just to bounce around, a lot of area to bounce around. No signals for me as a technician to be looking to go long or short the market. If you are trading this market and you're holding positions, chances are you're wanting to drink Maalox or eat Tums like candy, because this choppy market can just drive a person insane. Ever since we started showing these weaknesses here, as I told everybody, I've been flat the market. You have to be a patient trader to be able to be successful in the markets. So what I'm looking for is for the price action of the S&P 500 to make a decisive move one direction or the other before I push my chips in the middle of the table. For example, if we break up, if it breaks the blue line, that's pretty powerful, but I really need it to break the red line for me to be thinking big time bullish. If it will break the red line to the upside, I'm looking to push all the chips in, be looking to go bullish, because this market should only go higher. On the flip side, we are in a rising wedge, and a rising wedge is statistically much more bearish than bullish. And if and when this price action breaks down, my first alert will be the blue line. But if it closes below the red line, that will be my let's sell. So if you happen to be holding longs, I would say continue those longs as long as we remain within the negative spaces of this S&P 500 triangle and your lines are drawn like my lines are. And if that's the case, you should be in good shape. But if it starts to break down, obviously be looking to go flat the market or hedge yourself, or even go bearish. NASDAQ yesterday hit an all-time record high. Today it settled back down to a support level, just hanging out, not doing a whole lot. The banks here did a nice bounce off of support, and we have a lot of negative space. We're still rising here, no breakdown yet. Silver continues down, but now we have a hammer. Hammer could be, and we did fill a gap. So I would say silver and gold are probably buy territories now. Let's see, gold here. Gold hammered out, tried to break that support line, couldn't do it, rallied back. I could see people buying gold and silver right now. And quickly go over here and look at some stocks of interest on the tech side. And big moves. GoPro up 6.6%. Boom to the upside. This is the stock that I'm having seller's remorse on, because I was in that thing down here on the falling wedge breakout, and then as soon as I started seeing weakness, I mean, I don't know where I was when I sold it, but I sold it, it popped up, and it has just continued higher. Should have remained with that trade. That would have been a huge money maker. And Taser was up 1.6%. Ooh, beautiful bull flag. Beautiful, beautiful bull flag. Be looking for longs on Taser. But what you guys really want to be doing is going to our bull and bear list. If you haven't visited Grok stock picks yet, do that. Actually, go to Grok stock picks, check that out, and then go to Grok stat picks and check that out. They're two separate stock pick lists that you need to find which one would best serve you. So there you have it. All the best. Listen up to our announcement. Introducing to you the all-new, one-of-a-kind promotion. This is the Glocks for Groks gun promotion, presented and brought to you by Grok Trade. This is a limited time promotion, and this promotion is good for any students who go through the 1, 2, 3 step process. Step number 1 is the 101 courses, which are all free. Anybody can take them. And then step number 2, the 201 courses, more advanced trading education. And then step number 3, the 301 mentorship. If you go through those 3 steps and you qualify through a federal background check, then you will be dealing directly with our affiliate partner, who is a federal licensed gun dealer, and you will in fact get a credit to put towards any gun you would like. What do you need to do now? Go to groktrade.com, click on the big blue button, and when you click on the big blue button, you're going to see an AR-15 that you could put your credits towards, and all the information you could possibly want is listed here. So with this, we will leave you with this one call to action. Go to groktrade.com, click on the blue button, fill out this form. Once you fill out the form, that will be step 1. You then will be signed up for the 101 courses. They are free, they are very basic, and those courses will help you start to get a foothold of what trading is all about. There's, again, no obligation, and you can jump out of the trading at any time. Get all your information at groktrade.com.